how to correctly install the Facebook pixel in your Clickfunnels account or in your funnel. So if you're in your Facebook Business Manager, we want to retrieve our pixel. And then you will copy it and go to the funnel where you want to add it. You go into the settings and then you will paste it into the head tracking code. Then scroll down and click on Save and Update Settings, and your funnel will be pixeled with your Facebook pixel. Also, if you want to track events, we continue and we manually add the event code. Then, depending on what you want to track, you can select your business category, and we can take up the event snippet for a purchase or an initiate checkout, an add to cart, whatever. Now let's just say subscribe. We copy the script, and then we go into our Clickfunnels account, and usually people subscribe when, or have subscribed when they are on the thank you page. We edit the page, and inside your funnel step you go into settings, and then you go on tracking code, and here you will paste your event snippet. Then save, and you are ready to go.